and welcome back to Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen.
As I'm sure you're all aware, we're going through a very dire situation in the country as the coronavirus spreads. Here in Orange County, Florida, they've ordered curfews and are encouraging people to stay inside and not interact with others.
And across the country, other states and other counties are imposing similar restrictions, with some of them even stricter. In New York City, where we were living just a few months ago, everyone has been ordered to stay in place, with only essential employees going out into work. We're so grateful for the first responders, the medical personnel, and other essential employees who are going out there and fighting the coronavirus and also keep our society running.
Now, while not all of us can be on the front lines fighting the coronavirus, we each have our part to play. Like any infectious disease, the coronavirus spreads from person to person, sometimes with the infected person not even knowing they're infected. And so, in order to slow the spread of the disease, the experts are encouraging us to stay away from others, to practice what's become known as social distancing.
Now, the modern era is the perfect age in which to practice social distancing, and that's because the internet allows us to feel connected even though we're far apart from each other. Also, the internet provides us a plethora of opportunities for which to make the most of the time that we're far from each other. For example, learning how to cook delicious Puerto Rican food.
That's right. And so to help keep you entertained during this time of quarantine, we're going to be making a special effort to satisfy your desire for Puerto Rican cooking videos. For the next 2 weeks, we're going to be putting out a video every day. This will hopefully keep us occupied as we're quarantined, but also hopefully let us connect with all of you who are in similar situations.
We know getting quarantined, it's no fun, but we want to try to make the most out of it. So come back onto our channel every day for the next 14 days as we make delicious Puerto Rican food to keep our spirits up as we wait for the coronavirus to subside. We're all in this together, so keep us company as we undertake this 2-week Puerto Rican food marathon.